Sun Pharma is slated to report its numbers tomorrow, but what is the street penciling in? Let's get in all those details, and for that, let's go across to Varun, who's standing by with all the number crunching. Varun.
Well, we are expecting good set of results from Sun Pharma, wherein the revenues are expected to grow by around 9.3%. They are expected to come at around 13,100 crores, and the EBITDA is expected to grow by around 19.6%, and that would result into the margins going up from 25.3% to 27.7%. Now, that's an increase of around 240 basis points. The profit is expected to grow by around 6.6% and come at around 2,830 crores. Now, if you look at the geographical mix, the India and emerging market, they are expected to grow by around 10 to 13%, and the US markets, if you look at that, the overall sales are expected to come by around 485 to 500 million dollars. Now, the US sales will actually be aided by the overall Revlimid sales, which are going to be better in this quarter. Also, if you look at the rest of the world, on a sequential basis, the rest of the world sales will actually decline by around 15 to 17%. Now, this is because of a milestone income that was there in the base quarter of around $45 million. This time it would not be there. So, that's the reason the rest of the world sequentially it would show a decline, and that would actually lead to an overall decline in the global specialty business on a quarter-on-quarter basis. But yes, on a YOY basis, there would be some growth. The R&D spends, they are expected to go up by around 80 to 100 basis points on a quarter-on-quarter basis. So, let's see how much the impact is there on the overall margins. Keep an eye on the new product launches that the company is doing. But if you look at the overall results, we are expecting a good set of numbers from the company, especially on the margin front. Although in the last 3 quarters, the company has maintained the margin of around 28%. This time we are expecting 27.7% on a year-on-year basis. It's a rise of around 240 basis points.